thinking of buying the pocket hose copperhead? Hold up, before you click that buy now button, you need to hear everything I uncovered in this full review, because what seems like a quick garden solution might come with a few surprises. The pocket hose copperhead promises a lot on the surface, especially with its 180 to 360 swiveling pocket pivot designed to reduce hose strain, eliminate annoying creases, and make watering your garden smoother than ever. It's compact, lightweight, and even claims to be strong enough to handle everyday outdoor tasks. The fact that it's available on Amazon gives it an added layer of trust, and sure, there are plenty of glowing reviews that talk about how easy it is to use, store, and move around. But dig a little deeper and you'll see that it's not all roses. In this video, I break down everything, the good, the bad, and the red flags you definitely shouldn't ignore. We'll talk about why being sold on Amazon is a plus, especially when it comes to fast delivery and return options. But we'll also go over some less visible issues. There are real customer complaints about leaking connectors, flimsy materials that don't hold up over time, and confusing refund policies that make returns more frustrating than they should be. Plus, there's a big problem with the marketing. It's clearly overhyped, with a lot of affiliate-driven promotions that seem more interested in getting a sale than giving you the truth. The official website raises a few red flags too, from unclear terms to upsell tactics that feel a bit too pushy. While this hose might work fine for someone with very light watering needs, it's definitely not as tough or long-lasting as the ads might have you believe. So, is the pocket hose copperhead a total scam? Not exactly. Is it the game-changing garden tool it's marketed to be? Not quite either.